You've set up an account and connected your camera to Nikon's Imaging Cloud. Now it's time to start making use of the great features this software provides you. In this video, we'll run you through the setup and use the image transfer feature. If you have not connected your camera to Imaging Cloud yet, you can follow along in our previous video. As the name sounds, this allows you the ability to wirelessly transfer photos directly from your camera into the Nikon Imaging Cloud when you're connected to Wi-Fi. You get unlimited storage for 30 days, and it doesn't matter if you shoot JPEG or RAW. Any of these images can then be automatically transferred to your preferred third-party cloud storage site.
Log into the Nikon Imaging Cloud. On the main page, you should see all your connected cameras. If you scroll down, you'll see a section titled Image Transfer. Click on that. Within the image transfer screen, you'll see an option for transfer settings. Click on that option. From here, you'll have the option to choose which external storage you'd like to link to. Each will be slightly different, but for this video, I'll be connecting to Adobe Lightroom. To do this, under the Adobe Lightroom tab, click Link. This will prompt you to enter all your Adobe sign-in credentials. If you want every photo you take to be automatically sent to Lightroom, make sure that the Send Automatically box is checked. Once Lightroom has been connected, if it isn't already enabled, enable Photo Upload in the Imaging Cloud menu on your camera. Now, just a couple of things to check in the photo upload options. You may want to check whether the camera uploads both copies of the images taken in the RAW plus the JPEG setting. This will decide whether you only upload your RAW or JPEG files to Lightroom. If you go back to the Photo Upload menu and scroll down further to the Upload folder, you'll be able to select the specific folder from the card in each slot that you would like to mark for upload. The camera will upload all photos in the selected folder. Select the folder you would like to transfer images from. Now you can take a photo and have it upload to the Imaging Cloud automatically. In Lightroom, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that Lightroom is syncing. All you have to do is click on the cloud icon in the top right, and a mini window should pop up, and you want to click Start Syncing. It may take a moment depending on the number of photos, but the images you take should populate into Lightroom automatically now. If they do not populate, look for a new folder on the left menu under the Nikon Imaging Cloud tab. That's it.
In the next video in this series, you'll learn how to set up automatic firmware updates via the Imaging Cloud.